Hey everybody. So now we're gonna get into their little shortcuts. Yeah, this is how it works, okay? There are three shortcuts for solving a simple equation, which may be used. Use them if use of them is unnecessary. But this breaks down how they're pushing gay and trans. I'm gonna break it down first. So you the three shortcuts. Okay. Transposition is the first shortcut. Is that transgender? Wow. Canceling terms is the second shortcut. Oh, canceling your contract. Wow. And changing signs is the short shortcut. Often we attain an equation like minus x equals 3. Oh, wait. Let me get back to that because that's changing signs. That's going transgender. I'm telling you, this is what it's all about. Okay. Let's get back into where the beginning of this so we can do it all in order. Okay. Okay. So transposition. Transposition. Putting somebody as a trans in a position, okay? Solve the equation. 5y minus 3 equals 15 plus 2y. Solution 1. 5y minus 3 equals 15 plus 2y. 2a3, or add 3 to each side. 5y plus 2y. Nope, hold on, I back up. 5y equals 15 plus 2y plus 3. And then subtract 2y from each side is option 3. 5y minus 2y equals 15 plus 3. Yeah. And then CT is the fourth option. 3y equals 18, or y equals 6. So they just switch it around. They replace you with somebody that's trans pretending to be you. And heads up, they're telling on themselves pushing gay and trans in all their movies, TV shows, songs, celebrities. Are you paying attention? By adding 3 to both both people of step 1, negative 3 is removed from the left member and positive 3 appears on the right member in step 2. Oh, that's how they do concept 5 and that little bitch book, faking their lies, because fake it till you make it, right? It is as if 3, with the sign changed, were taken from the left side and placed on the right side. Oh, so the whole concept of concept 5 is projecting what you do onto the person you wrote a written report about. And I just proved it with this right here. In step 3, subtract 2y from both members of step 2, causes 2y to disappear from the right side of step 2 and 2y to appear on the left side of step 3. Huh. So, like, this is literally their cheat code. Yeah, their shortcut to get around corpus delicti. Without evidence, there is no case. But we'll keep going. Again, it's as if 2y, with its sign changed, were moved from the right side of the left. See how they do that? I broke down how the fuck they do it to be trust board of my fucking inheritance, you dumb fucks. Okay. These are examples of transporting, placing across. Crazy, isn't it? Rule. A term may be transposed from one member of an equation to the other, provided its sign is changed. Oh, wait. That's literally what I broke down about concept 5 in your bitch ass Al-Anon book. Write a written report, and I'm showing you how they write it and fake it till they make it to get concept 6. Be the trustee on the board, as long as it's the other gender. Don't forget that. Historical note about the first quarter of the 9th century, an Arabian mathematician, Muhammad ben Musa, wrote an algebra for the title of which he used Alam al-Jabbar wal Maqabala. Our word algebra is derived from this word, algebra. Crazy, isn't it? It literally says right here, too. The first quarter of the 9th century, an Arabian mathematician, Muhammad ben Musa, wrote an algebra for the title which he used. That literally tells you right there. This is a history, a repeated cycle of them writing an equation for their bullshit. Let's keep going. Canceling terms in the second shortcut. Suppose that x plus a equals b plus a. Subtract a from both sides, x equals b. Oh. That's showing how they're using a scapegoat. Wow. So, you are the pawn to steal from somebody like me, but you're getting subtracted from the equation. Oh, you understand now why both my half-sister Katrina Moore got caught, and so did Rachel Ziegler, my Uncle Wayne's illegitimate granddaughter, got caught just now. Wow. I'm literally showing you how it all works, ain't I? The result is the same as if positive A were simply dropped from both members. You're no longer A-list. It was not simply dropped, it was subtracted from both members. I mean, you do understand, I'm simultaneously solving the case of what they did to me and showing you dumb motherfuckers, you investigators, how they are doing this and using them as a scapegoat. They're just as guilty too, but I'm showing you the ones that use them, they're getting fucked too. Rule. If the same term preceded by the same sign occurs in both members of the equation, it may be canceled, dropped from both members. Oh, yeah. Rachel Ziegler just got dropped from Hollywood. Katrina Moore, who is Leslie Ellen, just got dropped from Star Wars. Are you seeing how I'm proving everything how it works? Okay. Practice in solving equations by the rules on page 156. Yeah, we'll forget about the practice. It's all about the fundamentals, principles for personalities, right? And that's why they did it to you, because it's about the principles I'm breaking down in the book before personalities, who the fuck you are. Okay. Changing signs is the third shortcut. Often we obtain an equation like minus x equals 3. We prefer that the sign be x be plus. To make it so, multiply both members by minus 1, then x equals negative 3. Crazy, isn't it? The result of multiplying the original equation by negative 1 is the same as if the sign of its terms were simply changed. Change the gender of the person, right? It wasn't a guy, it was a girl. But that's why they withheld my Social Security card and original birth certificate so they could pull that bullshit, isn't it? Crazy. By this rule, each equation in column B will have the same root as the equation opposite in column A. A column, minus 2x equals 6. Column B, 2x equals minus 6. Column A, 17 minus y equals 10. Column B, minus 17 plus y equals minus 10. column A, minus 2R minus 3 equals 5. Column B, 2R plus 3 equals minus 5. Sleight of hand, right? Fake it till you make it, of course. Understand it, right? Like, y'all, like, are the stupidest motherfuckers. And you still won't give up as I'm solving this whole fucking case right in front of the whole world to make you the biggest laughing stocks that you are. I think this is hilarious. And later on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get into, like I told you, the stock market and crypto market is all the wave, and it's all based on the parabola. My bad. Told you. Fuck around and find out you picked the wrong motherfucker, people. And this ain't vengeance, because I gave you fair warning before you start. This is your choice. You reap what you sow.